a Vandal proof system that we've worked out to secure our colonies at Wingfield. It's a cage, as you can see, square tubing with a wire cable that runs down the center, and then with a chain that's clamped on the one end. And what we do is we fit it over the hives, over the two hives. Chain runs through the threaded bar like so, and then we fit a pipe over here, put our nut on and tighten it with a special tool that we've made, a box spanner. You just tighten it up like so, and it clamps the entire two boxes down onto the pallet. Let me show you quickly. Very simple but effective. Slip it over the two boxes. Put your threaded bar underneath. Luckily these are reasonably relaxed colonies. Here's your chain, and we slip that through there. Ground sheet so you don't get too lucky. The nut. There you go, slip the threaded bar through one of the links in the chain. It's a little bit awkward, it takes a spot of time, but it's better than losing your colonies to vandals, or worse still, having AFB being spread around your site. So we're going to have to invest a bit of time and effort securing our colonies. There you go, put the nut on. Grab the cordless drilling machine. Put that over the nut. These colonies they are weak. We need to take the supers off. They've been vandalized already, so I'm just securing this temporarily. And there you go. Nice and tight. The guys have tried to vandalize this, but they can't get in.